and welcome back to the channel, guys. Today we will make a different video. We will discover and learn together this Mahr Millimess Digital Comparator. Will be the most precise instrument that I will have in my shop. I have 10,000 of millimeter resolution, so it's quite powerful. And I mount in this planolite base that is perfect for the comparator. Is used for this need. Now we will connect the power source here. Let's I found also this in internet, from where you can see clearly the comparator, how it's made. Okay. For the comparator, I bought also this wire cable for the up and down, and came with this connection here. Now we will remove this one and we will put this other one. I hope that you can see, but we will install this one practically, this bracket here with this wire cable. Now let's remove this one. There is a spring that is inside. Okay. Okay, now it's moving, as you can see here. Okay. Now let's take here these gauge blocks. Let's take 1.05 millimeter. I don't know if you can see here, the range of measurement is from 2 to 2.8. A 2 millimeter range, the resolution will be 10 thousandths of a millimeter. Here I can set also this other parameter, 2.8. At the moment it's set at 2 millimeter. Okay guys, now let's switch on this Millimess. Is on. For best accuracy, need to warm up around 10 minutes, you know, for the best. So now I place here this one that is an up and down, and is connected to the power source. I hope that you can see here the screen. So we look in this way, you know, and is a very powerful comparator, this one, and is inductive. So here we have the connection, you can see in the computer. Here you have the connection for the SPS interface. You can connect to Mahr Connect that you can download from Mahr website, and you can download all the measurement to the computer. We will see later on. There is a dynamic function, min-max, to find the reversal point. And there is also the tolerance function. There is an high precision ball over there. And maybe I already say, this is the most precise measurement tool that I have in this moment in my shop. Now there is a very important feature, that is the factor. We can set and adjust the factor. The factor function allows you to adjust or scale the measurement reading by a specific multiplier. For instance, if a lever mechanism amplifies the movement by a factor of 2, you can set the factor to 0.5. In this way, the display value reflects the true displacement. Now let's start to see the function. There is, of course, on, off, and reset. The 0 setting, the digital, the analog display. With the preset, we can enter any numeric value inside the Millimess. We can reverse the counting direction. Min-max is ideal to reverse the point. We have also the function tolerance with limit values, you know, here. And the range, from where we can switch the measurement, range and resolution. Of course, ABS, the 0. This 0 works only for the analog and the lock. Now let's go to check here the situation. I hope really that you can see. Let's set. Always 0. Yes, I think that you can see. It's incredible, right? 0. Now let's put a gauge block of 1 millimeter. No, let's do 1.05. .053. Now let's put 1 millimeter. One point 3 micron. Let's come back here, and this 0. Okay. Okay, now let's change the resolution. In this moment I have hundreds, you know. After the dot we have 2 digits, and is 100s. Pressing range, we can go to 0.05 micron, 30 after the dot, Here we go resolution 1 micron, as you can see. And now here we have 10 thousandths resolution. And this is powerful. This one is 0.5 micron practically now. Okay, let's 0. Now we go to 0. It's unbelievable. Even with 10 thousandths resolution, is repeatable. There is a very important things to keep in consideration. When min max is activated on the Millimess, practically will block some function like tolerance, set, up and down, reversing, millimeter and inch, preset and ABS. You can't switch the second row of the button. And this drives me crazy, you know. Now let's set an important function, you know. This block is 39.9. So to preset the dimension, let's do like this. Let's hold for a few seconds the I'm already did, you know. But to do it, you have to move this one. This digit will move. Now we move on the right. Let's do again 1, 2 and 3. Let's move with this button on the right. 39. Here let's do 10. And now the dimension is fixed on the Millimess. Because it was plus, let's do again. Okay, if you press that again, I put minus. This means, now let's enter. This means that when this will go up, the value will increase. Here I have a 1 millimeter block. As you can see, is 40. Was 39 before millimeter, and now went to 40. This one can be very important if we have to take dimension of more pieces for quality control, or even if you have pieces on series that you want to check. You preset the high, and after you don't care, you know. 39.1. Now let's put here the 1 millimeter. 40.10. 40.10. 40.10. It's incredible, this machine, you know, it's very precise, reliable, and repeatable. Now we like to do the tolerance. Remember that also for me this is the first time, so we are learning together. Sorry, you know, I'm not a teacher, I'm not a specialist on these things. In this moment I'm learning with you. Okay, now let's see for the tolerances. Now I press here tolerance button, and as you can see here we start to appear two rows. Okay, now how to set the value? Let's see. Now to set the tolerance, let's hold here. Okay, this one will appear. There was a preset inside of 0.900. So now the set mode for the upper is activated. You can see here tolerance with an arrow that go on the top. Now as you can see with the cursor here, I will move the digit. Now this one is too big. I put 0. The dot is here, point. Let's do 1. Okay. And let's put 2. 120 micron is the tolerance, the upper limit. And we need to fix the lower limit. Now, to make the lower limit, I have to do short activation of the tolerance set here. And as you can see, is here, lower. So now we have to repeat this one. And let's put 0. So upper limit is 120 millimeter, lower limit is 0. And the tolerance value entered are absolute value. Now with a short things error. Fantastic. Upper 120, lower, let's put here 1. Error, why give to me the error? I want to see if it's error. Look like that the upper limit cannot be higher, lower than the lower limit. Let's try to put here 150, 160 micron. Lower is 120. Okay, practically I enter the data, and now as you can see the color change. And here we have a 15 micron. As you can see, the cursor will move here because we are 0 in this moment. Let's try to put something here. It's 0. The signs minus disappear. Minus 5 micron, plus 5 micron disappeared here. And that's it. Now we go to range and we come back on the measurement value 0. Let's place here 1.05, and this one is 1.05. So guys, it's incredible, these things. Now let's try to put the data cable to the computer. Let's switch off. Let's remove this one. Okay guys, but before to connect the Millimess to the computer, I just received from United States this letter from Active Atom, and they sent to me their sticker are here. The sticker set from Active Atom. Look, are very cute, you know, very nice. They are very nice person, you know. They make a very interesting video about tool, about metrology instruments and vintage machine. They have a lot of knowledge, you know. The way to make the video are also funny because are two friends together that make also some kind of sketch together, you know. Frankly, I suggest to you to go to see their video, are great people again. And now they want to come back on business on YouTube. They stopped a few times ago, but they told me that they will start again. So let's go with me to put this sticker on the wall. Leo? Leo, Luna? Luna! Luna? This is my sticker wall. Let's put first this one here. It's very cool. active atom. I will also put a link in description. Here. Are really well made. And here. They are also loving Italy, and they visit Italy many times. I hope that next time I can meet them. So now let's come back to do the work. Thank you, Patrick and Lance, I'm very appreciate. So now, how to connect here? And those are the cable. Okay. And now this other one on the computer. Okay, the read on. Let's put down this one. And the application. I downloaded the application from Mahr. I tell you, it's the first time that is reading. Double click here. So I don't understand how this is working. Nothing happened. The configuration window. I don't understand why it looks different from this one. I'll double click the status window, but no. Say double click here, I do, but nothing happened. Look like that is not connected, you know. We didn't read the USB 0. I think maybe I have. I think that maybe I missed the driver. I don't know. I need to configure out here. I don't know, guys. There is something that doesn't work. This means that I have to find here some situation and for the next video. I know guys that is a different video, no machining, and maybe even a little boring, but there isn't much about Mahr Millimess on YouTube, you know. Maybe this is the first video that try to explain how to set the Mahr Millimess 2100, and I know it's not my specialties, you know, and I didn't know nothing about this instrument. I say also sorry to you if I didn't was very fluent in my video, but I try to do the best. So please, if you like the video, put a like and subscribe. See you the next one. Bye bye.